Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a music bot to your Discord server. First, open Discord and make sure you're logged into a server where you have permission to manage apps or bots. Next, click on the server name in the top left corner. Then select Server Settings. Scroll down to the Apps section and click on App Directory. From here, you'll see a list of available bots. Browse through the music bots and choose one you like. For this example, I'll be using Greenbot. Click Add to Server and select the server you want to add the bot to. Review the permissions the bot needs, then click Authorize and complete the verification if prompted. Once the bot is added, go back to your Discord server. You should now see the music bot listed in the member list. Join a voice channel, then type /play followed by the name of a song or a link in the chat. The bot will join the voice channel and start playing the music. If you want to add more songs, just use the play command again and they'll be added to the queue. And that's how you add and use a music bot on a Discord server. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.